TOPJOB S rail mount terminal blocks with the reliability of WAGO's push-in cage clamp. WAGO's TOPJOB S jumper line offers the right solution for any commoning task. In addition to jumpers, test plug adapters, testing taps, or modular plugs can also be accommodated in the jumper slots. TOPJOB S push-in type jumper bars simplify potential multiplication, even over end plates. These jumpers are available in various pull numbers, colors, and variants. Easily create customized push-in type jumper bars by breaking and removing jumper contacts. The remaining contacts can be marked using a felt tip pen. Push-in type jumper bars can also be used as step-down jumpers. This allows terminal blocks differing by up to 2 nominal cross-sectional sizes to be commoned using a simple push-in jumper bar from the smaller series. Continuous jumpers readily connect an endless number of terminal blocks to each other via a single jumper slot. Each jumper contact only needs half a jumper slot, allowing the user to add an endless number of jumpers. If needed, you can simply remove individual jumpers from the assembly. Various commoning applications can be performed by combining this jumper with the 1 to 3 continuous jumper. An added bonus, WAGO's collective TOPJOB S jumper carrier is ideal for temporarily storing unused jumpers. Staggered jumpers accommodate different potentials in a single jumper slot alongside each other. Custom staggered jumpers are created by breaking off jumper contacts or are available as pre-configured units. Make sure that only one contact lug is inserted per jumper contact. Push-in type wire jumpers common terminal blocks over longer distances and across multiple levels. Step-down jumpers easily common terminal blocks rated for different conductor sizes. For example, this jumper allows a 35 square millimeter power cage clamp terminal block to be stepped down to a 16 or 10 square millimeter TOPJOB S rail mount terminal block. The perfect solution for multi-level terminal blocks, vertical jumpers easily connect 2 or 3 levels. The number printed on top of the jumper clearly shows how many levels can be commoned. This jumper has been specially developed to create a star point and is ideal for motor terminal boards. Delta jumpers are available for delta motor connections. TOPJOB S rail mount terminal blocks, ready with a range of multifunctional jumpers.